7 little known facts about your VA home loan benefits. First fact, you can get a VA loan with 0 down payment and up to 4% seller credit. So 0 down payment, and you can get 4% of the purchase price back to help pay for closing costs. A second VA home loan fact is that a credit score is actually not required. You do not need to have high credit. Individual lenders will have their own requirements, but the VA itself doesn't require you to have a specific credit score, which means if you have damaged credit, there's still a good chance we can help get you set up with a VA home loan. Third fact, there are no debt to income requirements with a VA loan. The debt to income ratio formula usually takes your recurring monthly debt and divides it by your gross monthly income, and it usually needs to be at a set number with most mortgage programs. With the VA program, this does not come into play. So even if you have a high debt load relative to your income, there's still a good chance you can get a VA loan, assuming it still makes sense given your entire financial picture. Another VA home loan fact is that you do not need private mortgage insurance. Many mortgage programs require you to have insurance when you're putting down less than 20%. By eliminating PMI, VA loans can save you a significant amount of money each month. Another VA home loan fact is that non-active reservists and National Guard can qualify in certain situations, specifically after 6.5 years, or if you've gone active duty for 90 days, you may qualify as a non-active reservist or National Guard member. Another VA home loan fact is that your VA home loan can be assumed by a non-military buyer. The buyer will get your existing rate, which can be a big selling point in a rising interest rate environment and make it easier for you to sell the home that you have a VA home loan on. Now we're getting into something very interesting. Did you know that you can have multiple VA loans at the same time? Now you do need a good reason for this, such as being transferred. There are also a number of other reasons why you could do this, but you can actually have multiple VA home loans at the same time. You'll just want to consult with your mortgage broker or lender for the specifics on this one. And along the same lines, did you know that you can actually leverage the VA loan to start building yourself a real estate investment portfolio? And many veterans have done so. There are lots of ins and outs to this process. Just know that you can start with one VA loan and sort of pyramid your way into more and more investment properties if you follow the advice of a VA home loan specialist who knows more about building an investment portfolio this way. If you'd like to learn more about any of these ideas, or you want to start the process of getting pre-approved for your VA home loan so you can start shopping for your next home, go ahead and get started right down below.